So two, then when we have the portfolio together, if I click on these dots and I hit edit album, I can also add more photos. So now we can go through and get that, and with our letters, and we'll probably start with our first 4 letters, right? If you have those, if you don't have those.
I don't think I have.
Okay, but you do have it in the assignment. So you may need to go into your assignment and download the things that you turned in for your assignments as well, because we may not have those.
Actually, yeah, I think I do have one. I think, because these are the last ones I did. I started with the recent ones first. So yeah, I do have my 4 letters.
Okay,
yeah.
so we'll just go through there and we'll get everything organized and into your Google Photo albums, hit edit album and drop and move and do that, and then we'll go back later and add text.
Yeah.
And we can also use a laptop to add text if we find that to be easier.
Yeah,
okay?
You can see my 4 names right there. My names are right here.
Okay, those are the ones that you did first?
Yeah. Actually, no, it was these ones right here. These ones right here. The J and the
Okay, yeah. All right, so we got it going on what we need to do, and you had no idea what you were doing at that point. Again, I know nothing, I practiced, I know everything now.
Yeah, I can go from right here to here, to this one, and then the last, this is going to be the finished product.
Well, I would do the one that's hanging. Isn't there one hanging?
Yeah, right there.
Okay, it's probably in your completed, two. Go through and download your completed assignments into here as well, okay?
Okay.